It's feeling good outside, y'all. It's about to be summer, but it's that like really cute spring right now.
It's Lisa, it's Lisa, it's Lisa, Danielle. Something like that.
What's up, world? It's your girl Lisa D, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget, subscribe to this channel, like this video, and click that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video or whatever. And today, I'm back with a Lisa DIY. This is a t-shirt upcycle DIY, and I have done a few of these on my channel, like t-shirts, sweatshirts, you know, whatever I can find. But this time, we're doing the Walmart edition. I am a frequent Walmart shopper. I love me a deal, love me a steal, so Walmart is life. And Walmart's t-shirt game? Walmart's t-shirt game is lit. So like when I saw these t-shirts in the men's section, it was just like gimme, 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 gimme. So yeah, so I picked up a couple of Walmart t-shirts and I created some really cute dresses, and low-key I have a few more ideas. So this is gonna be like a part 1 and there will be a part 2. This jacket that I'm wearing is from my collection. We don't know about Danielle Apparel, that is my clothing company, so click the link in the description if you want to see more. I like literally handmade every single one of these flowers. Every single one of these flowers takes me like 30 minutes to do, so y'all should buy it. It is the Flower Power Denim Jacket. It should be up in the next couple of weeks. So if you want to see how I turn Walmart t-shirts into like baddie dresses, then stay tuned. I'm starting with this really 90s MTV t-shirt, and because I'm a curvier girl, I got this in a 3X. It is very, very important that you get these as large as you can because you can always cut away fabric you can't add. And the larger your shirt, the longer your shirt. So if you want that length, you're gonna wanna go up a couple of sizes. Then I'm taking this dress that fits me perfectly and I'm using it as a template to cut out my dress, because for this particular shirt, I wanna do one of those Kim K straight across spaghetti strap dress things that's bomb or whatever. Then with right sides together, you're gonna sew a straight stitch down each side. You can also use fabric glue for this part, so you don't necessarily have to sew this. Then I'm gonna take my excess fabric and I'm gonna cut out 2 long pieces to be my straps because we don't waste no fabric around here. And then once you've got your dress sewn on each side, this is what it will look like. I also want to add in those straps, so I'm going to flip my dress inside out and I'm going to hem the top of the dress, just a nice little fold, probably not even a centimeter, and I'm going to sew a straight stitch across that and add my straps. The length of your straps is really up to you. It depends on how low you want your dress to sit. And then once you've sewn that straight stitch across the top and attached the straps, you are all done. I made this jacket, y'all. DanielleApparel.com. So this alien is really, really creepy, but I really like the colors in this shirt. So I'm gonna take the same dress that I used before to cut out my template, but this time I'm leaving the neckline intact. I want to create like a sweetheart neckline, so I'm gonna start like right below the shoulder and just dip down under the neckline and then back up again. And then I'm gonna fold it over to make sure that I cut this evenly, which is what you should have did in the first place, Lisa, but you know, we keep our mistakes in the DIYs. Then with right sides together again, you're gonna sew a straight stitch down each side or fabric glue. Now I'm gonna cut the sleeves away from the shirt because I really wanna attach that to the dress. I wanna create like these little flounce sleeves. So I'm gonna flip the sleeve inside out and I'm gonna hem it. And I'm gonna actually add elastic into the top of the sleeve after we hem it, so we'll come back to that later. This is the elastic that I'm gonna be using, and I also used it inside the dress. So after I sewed the side seams, I took a tiny, tiny piece and I stretched it as I sewed down the center so that it would create a little like ruching effect. So now I'm gonna add my elastic to my hemmed sleeve, and I left a little opening. And basically to add elastic, all you have to do is put a safety pin on the end of the elastic and use that safety pin to help you feed through the elastic. After you got your elastic all through, you're just going to put one piece on top of the other and sew a zigzag stitch down. And then you're going to attach these sleeves to the side of the dress right at the side seam using a zigzag stitch as well. And once you've done that, you are done. So with this last shirt, I want to create more of an oversized dress. So kind of like the little potato sack, but super cute or whatever, potato sack dress. So I'm just going to take some 1-inch wide elastic and I'm going to flip my shirt inside out. I'm going to hem the bottom of the shirt just wide enough to feed that elastic through. If you want to use wider elastic, you can, or if you want to use a thinner width, you can also do that, but you are going to need to sew this. I also am going to cut the neckline out, but you won't be seeing that because my camera died. So basically what I did was from one shoulder to the other, I just kind of cut at an angle and then I hemmed the top and added the ribbon. For the elastic at the bottom, I did it the exact same way that I did the sleeve, and that's pretty much it. So if you like these 3 t-shirt DIYs, give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment in the description box below letting me know which one was your favorite, and stay tuned for part 2. It might even be a part 3 and a 4 because I have really dope ideas. So stay tuned and I will see y'all in the next one. Deuces.